Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and thank you again for joining me for another cleaning motivational. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tasha and I put out a cleaning video once a week. Today's video is going to consist of my entire upstairs as well as my kitchen and my dining room. I'm also going to throw in a 2-ingredient crock pot dish that is so simple and easy to make, so stick around for that as well. If you like these kind of videos, consider giving it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing if you haven't yet and hit that notification so you don't miss any future uploads. Let's go ahead and jump into this mess. We are going to go ahead and start in my room by making my bed. Then I'll be moving on to putting some laundry away, picking up all the water bottles, doing some dusting, as well as cleaning up the dirty clothes that are over in the corner so I can get ready for laundry day the next day.
You think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love gun. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be.
I picked up this new duster from Grove Collaborative. I think it's called Full Circle. I'll link it down below just in case. But it is reusable and washable. And as I was dusting my window, I started to realize that this whole back wall was covered in like dog fur and dust. And this microfiber duster got it off so easily. I loved it. I'll show you guys the after of the window and those walls. So nasty, y'all. I never really think about my walls being dusty, but I'm glad that I happened to notice it when I was up there dusting the mirror or the window.
No, you don't hear when I told you how I fear. We are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. You tell me that I made you think if we have something special more than happy drinks, you'll go without blinking. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear. We are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Lately, my pajamas and sweats drawer has been getting really out of hand and I haven't been able to fit things into it. Same with my leggings drawer because I also keep a lot of my shorts in there. And since we're going to be going out of short season, I decided to go ahead and organize these two drawers and get them more usable and kind of not really like declutter them. I just got rid of a couple things, but for the most part, I just wanted to get everything refolded and put back nicely because my husband does fold my laundry. So a lot of times he doesn't fold it the same way I do and it doesn't fit into these drawers. So I wanted to go ahead and just refold, organize it, and put them in order by colors and just make it to where it was more appealing to the eye and easier for me to put away.
Leave your shirt on the floor. There's no reason to get up. There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow. There's a smell from the view on the window. Your lips taste a glint from your toothpaste. Spend time cutting marks on your fingers. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time. We have breakfast in bed. Pour the coffee and kiss me. We are both skipping work. Oh, there's a bird singing loud in the palm trees on the beach, laying next to your building, and the ocean is singing even louder. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time.
You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you. Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. not waiting a minute. Awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight.
It has been a hot minute since I cleaned out the inside of my quote-unquote toothbrush holder. Look at that disgrace. All the hard water and stuff that's dripped down in there. It's just so nasty. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it with blue diamond vinegar and some really hot water and let it soak for a little bit. And then I'll be using just a little brush wand or like a sponge wand to clean out the inside. And I didn't get all of it, so I ended up letting it soak for the rest of the day. And then I rinsed it that night and it came out completely clean. I need to go ahead and just bite the bullet and find a toothbrush holder that I actually like for this room, because I'm so annoyed with how large this mason jar is, and I can't find my other mason jars from when we moved. So I've been using this one, and it's just the worst possible thing to use for a toothbrush holder.
I'm telling you.
should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
I forgot to record it, but I did go ahead and vacuum in here before I did my shower, so if there any water got in the floor, I didn't have to worry about my vacuum getting wet. So I went ahead and did a good vacuum in here, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my Swiffer to mop in here, and then we'll move on to the next room.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place.
I had a giant basket of laundry of Tennyson's to fold and hang, so I went ahead and brought it into my room so I could watch something on my computer while I did it, because I knew it was going to take me quite a while, and it was a lot more comfortable to do it on my bed than to sit on her floor. So I went ahead and did this, and then I'm going to go on to cleaning the rest of my upstairs once I finish this.
up. I got hungry for the sunny high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. And I'm flying, I'm flying, I'm flying alone now. And nothing, no nothing is holding me down now. I'm flying, I'm flying, I'm flying alone now. And nothing, no nothing is holding me down now. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. Oh, you're so quiet. Tell me now what's on your mind. You're getting bored, right? Emotions running dry. Oh, say my name. Tell me why we have to try. Oh, it's a shame. Emotions running dry. I say the things you never dare do. You always so confused. You don't love me and I don't love you. Let's face the truth. I'm getting bored, you see, and I don't wanna think it over. And you don't wanna leave, baby, gotta let this go. I'm getting bored, you see, I guess it wasn't meant to be forever. Too late for you to speak, baby, gotta let this go. Baby, gotta let this go. Baby, gotta let this go. You don't love me and I don't love you.
So I've been finding my cat sleeping in here a lot, which means these pillows are covered in fur, and so is the top of the comforter, but I'm going to go ahead and just take a lint roller and get rid of that fur. Laundry day was the next day, and I knew that I had quite a bit of laundry to do, so I didn't want to go ahead and strip this bed and add more laundry to my loads because then I knew it wouldn't get done, and I didn't want the actual mattress to get furry. So when I have time, I'll go ahead and strip this bed and give the bedding a good wash, but for today, I'm just going to try and get this room cleaned up and dusted and get rid of as much fur as I possibly can. Look at all that fur.
Oh, say my name. Tell me why we have to try. Oh, it's a shame. Emotions running dry. I say the things you never dare do. You always so confused. You don't love me and I don't love you. Let's face the truth. I'm getting bored, you see, try so hard to waste it all, waste our love before it's gone. And just like kids are cheating death, we lose our minds and hold our breaths, and cut right through the glossy layers, with no time for empty prayers. Always someone to defeat, but no surrender, no retreat. Sweetheart, still alive, I count my stars, and this is how we live and learn. Before the bridges burn, there's always someone to defeat, but no surrender, no retreat. And just like porcelain, we are broken and put together again.
After I finished Tennyson's bathroom, I decided I did enough cleaning for the day, and I decided to go ahead and relax. So that we're going to have a day 2 in this video, and day 2 is going to be of my kitchen and my dining room, and I'm going to have a little helper throughout the whole process. I'm also going to show you guys a really quick and easy dinner. It's just going to be pulled barbecue chicken, and I do it really fast in the crock pot. I always start at midday. It only takes me 2 hours using frozen chicken, so I will show you guys that towards the middle of me cleaning the kitchen. So let's go ahead and jump into this mess.
Right off the bat, I knew I loved you. You had that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason I am leaving. I can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way. bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kinda dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Living in a sequence, trying not to see it. Need some bliss in the turbulence. I'm praying on the weekdays, drowning in the weekends. All the shallow, shallow friends are mine. I got the champagne dripping from inside my spine. No credit cards to buy my time. You know I never listen. It's not too late for you to let it go to my beat. Rhythm makes me complete. Strip me down to my bare bones. Too long, phasing down the concrete. Moving like we're machines. Strip me down to my bare bones. Haven't had a pause yet, maxing out my mistakes. All my dreams might be made of gold. Dizzy on a Sunday.
This is one of the easiest I forgot to pull out meat to defrost kind of dishes. So I take my crock pot, I'm going to drop 4 frozen chicken breasts into it. And then I'm going to be using what is our favorite, which is Famous Dave's barbecue sauce, and it's the Devil's Spit. We like this one a lot. It has a really good spice to it and it's not too sweet. I do not like sweet barbecue sauce. But I'm going to put a little bit of this on top, and then I'm just going to start my crock pot on high for 4 hours. Anywhere from like 2 to 3 hours, it's done. And I shred it. And it comes out looking like this, very juicy and lots of sauce on it. I usually put it onto some buns, and we have like pulled barbecue chicken sandwiches. I love to put my potato salad on my chicken sandwich. My husband doesn't like it that much, but he picked up some Hawaiian rolls this time. It turned out pretty good. I just wish the rolls were a little bigger. I felt like they looked a little wimpy with the chicken sandwich, but overall it is one of the easiest I forgot to pull out meat to defrost dinners, and it's so simple. 2 ingredients, your favorite barbecue sauce and 4 chicken breasts.
On the Mondays, all the shallow, shallow friends are mine. I got the champagne dripping from inside my spine. No credit cards to buy my time. You know I never listen. It's not too late for you to let it go to my beat. Rhythm makes me It's not too late for you to let it go to my beat. Rhythm makes me complete. Strip me down to my bare bones. Too long, phasing down the concrete. Moving like we're machines. Strip me down to my bare bones. To my bare bones. Yeah. I am not the victim of this love affair. You can make me go away. I don't really care if it's good and fair. I just wanna love you, babe. You got me around your finger. Got me in a twisted state of life, but I refuse to see it. Yeah, you can turn me upside down, turn my heart inside out, but I can never give up. Do it again, just do it again. Sleep is for the dead and love is for the wicked. Play me till I repeat and fade. Yeah, you can turn me upside down. Do it again, just do it again. You are what I need, don't you understand? We were made to fall in love. Give me what I ask, let me hold your hand. Baby, you just have to know. You got me around your finger. Got me in a twisted state of life, but I refuse to see it. Yeah, you can turn me upside down, turn my heart inside.
Alright y'all, we are coming to the end of this video. I have to say, this is the first time that I've ever really filmed with Tennyson at this age in the kitchen with me while I cleaned. I was pleasantly surprised with how well behaved she was, because the kitchen is one of her favorite places to misbehave. But I had so much fun with her today. We had so many good conversations, and it honestly made the cleaning a lot more fun. So I might drag her in here with me more often just because she made it that much more fun. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got motivated. If you did like it, please consider giving it a big thumbs up. Again, if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. I would love to see you stick around. And always remember to hit that bell notification so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next Wednesday.